Jim Munson. We're here at Encore Packaging, and today we're talking about one of our newest tools, the EP-3525-TM. Now this tool is similar to our EP-3550 in that you've got your Mast here, which supports your battery tool while in use, but this one also combines the rotational ability of this disc here, which allows you to orient your strap in either a vertical or a horizontal manner. So let me show you how it works here. You can see it's really mobile and easy to get around your warehouse. So we got our pallet here. What we're going to want to do is we want to use our strap and our tool. One, do a standard band where we go under the pallet. You can see it's really nice and easy, even though it's suspended here, to bring it down to your load. And do your tensioning and sealing like that. So now, if you wanted to do what are called belly bands, and you wanted to go around your pallet, you could do it in this orientation here, but it's much easier if you rotate the strap into a horizontal orientation. Once you have it here, you can play your strap off around your load. Do your tensioning and sealing. And there you go. So that is the EP-3525-TM.